Dear Goenkans, today our topic is email. It's from the chapter Internet Services. We all know that email stands for electronic mail. It is a facility on internet to compose, store, send and receive messages to any part of the world. Email is the fastest way of sending the mail. We have one more service, as we all know, that is the postal service. But in that service, what we need postal address details like name, address, city, state, pin code, country and all that. But with electronic email, what is there, this all has been replaced by only one thing, that is email address. To use email facility on the internet, one has to create a personal email account by specifying a username and a password along with other particulars what will be the required, and we all should be having any kind of email account in one of the email services. Today we're going to see how we compose and send an email. I already have an account in Gmail, so I'll be logging into my account. As you all can see, I've already logged into my account. So this is the screen when you will log in into your account. And one more thing, that is whenever you send an email either through your phone or through your computer, one must have an active internet connection. So it is necessary that you should be connected to internet. To compose or to write a mail, what we have to do is we have to click on this compose option. It will open up a new window wherein we have to type the email address of the receiver in this column where it is written to. So I'll be writing email address of the receiver. Say I'll write AZRA. As you all see, this is already in my contact. In subject we write anything, what is the email regarding. Say I'll write greeting, and then in this is body where we can write anything. Hi dear, how are you, anything, whatever you want to write, you can write. And sometimes whenever you want to attach an attachment, we can attach many things in this email. We can attach a document, we can attach a picture, we can attach anything, word file, pictures, PDF files. For that we have an option, as you all can see in the bottom, this second option, it is called attach file. When you will click on it, you can go to the location where the specific file is, which you want to send. Say for example, I want to send a picture. I'll click on that picture, then here I'll write open, and then I have to wait till this bar completes, this blue line gets completed. So we have to wait for the timing till it gets uploaded or it gets attached to your email. See, this is all attached to my email. Now I can click on the send button, and if you all can see, the mail has gone. It's written here, message sent. So I can check now my message. So that message is in the sent items. As you all can see, this has gone to the email address Azra Jan. This was how we can send an email and how we can attach a file. Now for example, say I have already logged in to some other email. I'll be sending an email to Azra Jan 6050, and I'll be sending an email to. In this we'll see how to reply to an email. So what we have to do, we have to send an email first. So I'm sending an email. I'll be writing any text, then I'll send it. So I'll go into that account only in which we have sent a mail, and if you all can see, in the inbox we get our new mails. So while I'm refreshing, just a second, let's just see whether it's gone or not. So yes, so now I'll check my email account. Yeah, it's here. If you all can see, Mir Samreen, I got a mail. Now I'll click on it, and here we have an option, reply. The reply option is displayed only when we open any mail. It is used to reply a received email. So I'll click on this reply button, and now I can reply back to the mail, and then I can click on send. And this is just like a conversation that we have through our messenger apps, or we can the app through WhatsApp or something, where you have linked to your previous mails as well. Now we'll check in Samreen. So if you all can see, this mail will be here. Just a second. as you all know, internet connection is pretty slow. So see, 2. So this will continue. So this was the first mail, this is now my reply. Now if you want to reply again, we can click on it. So this was all how we can compose a mail, how we can attach a file, and how we can reply and forward a same email. Now if you want to forward the whole conversation to somebody else, so here we have a forward button, where if we want to forward it to somebody else, we can write here the required receiver's address, and the whole chat, whole email session that happened between Azra and Samreen can be sent to that person. This was about today. See you.